This video is part of a course entitled The Successful Scholar, which can be found on udemy.com, teachable.com, or thinkific.com. There's a book available as a resource in both paperback and Kindle formats on Amazon. Thank you for watching, and I hope you'll check out the full course. I am a great supporter of a personalized learning plan. Now, mind you, this is something that is very rarely used. So first, let's look and see what is a personalized learning plan. It is simply about tailoring instruction and learning to meet the student needs. We would call this a customized learning methodology. Now, when you're referring to creating this personalized learning plan in the role of a student, it relates to customizing the classroom to meet the needs of yourself. If you're talking about it in the role of an educator or a teacher, it means customizing instructional methodologies within a classroom to meet the individual needs of each student. Now, for students, this is an amazing opportunity to develop your own plan for learning. This plan is going to include the best learning environments, how learning occurs, the best methods in learning, the ways of taking in information, and even using some strengths in your learning. There are great benefits in developing this personalized learning plan. First, it gives control to the learner. It will permit you as a learner to modify your learning. You're going to enable a superior intake of knowledge. It will give you the tools you need to learn different topics despite your preference for one subject or another. For instance, if your strength is languages, mathematics may be difficult, but maybe you could envision math and numbers as a different type of language that could help you in your learning process. A learning plan also builds critical thinking skills and develops problem-solving skills through developing independent learners. The individual is actually going to take control of the learning experience. This promotes these skills. In creating and maintaining a learning plan, the student is continually invited to observe, analyze, and adapt their learning as well as their plan. This is called a maintenance. Why is the maintenance required? Because a learner is fluid, constantly changing and growing. Due to this growth process, the personalized learning plan needs to be adapted to meet the changing growth of the pupil. A learning plan focuses the vision on the learning process instead of focusing on the result. How many times have you completed a homework assignment, project, or assessment simply to check it off your list of things to do? However, having a developed learning plan, the learning is going to occur while the activity is being completed. It is not just simply finishing a task. Lastly, it doesn't emphasize the instructor. The learner is the center of the plan. It moves toward a more interdependent learning style where the learner chooses to step in or out of collaborative and independent learning. In the following lectures, we're going to investigate the different components and creating a learning plan which is personalized for you.